Let's talk about global variables. To some extent, global variables are similar to environment variables. For example, suppose we have two environments, development and production. Global variables allow us to use the same ETL script, but run it against different servers without modification. We can access and manage global variables through the options dialog. To add new variables, just click plus. Let's say, for example, when you want to use server variable. So we just enter in the name and the value. Production. Global variables are stored in options.ini file, which is located in C program data ETL-Tools.com folder. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them on our support forum.